Hi Sissy Martulfo, happy birthday. I hope that on your special day, maging super happy ka. And I know that you help so many people. You inspire a lot of people. At isa na ako dyan. It's always so easy being with you, so light. And so on your special day, I wish you good health, more family adventures, and lots of new memories with your loved ones. Happy birthday. Stay happy.
Hi Maricel, happy birthday. May God continue to bless you and your family so you can continue to be a blessing to many others. Happy birthday again.
Hi Maricel! Happy 18th birthday sa'yo! Maricel, alam mo, sobrang natuwa ako sa'yo. Kasi, alam mo, kasi yung style ko, mahihayin talaga ako sa personal. Kaya pag na-meet ko yung mga ibang artista, yung syempre sikat, tulad mo, kaya sabi ko, pwede ba kita tawagin best friend? First time may nagsabi sa akin. 15 taon na ako sa Showtime. First time ako nagsabi sa akin, Ryan, pwede, gusto ko maging BFF tayo. Wow! Maricel, thank you so much. BFF, happy birthday. Yung pasalubong ko sa'yo, kasi sabi mo, tanggapin mo lang yung yung Hermes, mga Chanel. Alam mo, kahit nanay ko, hindi pa ako nagbigay ng yung totoong yung Chanel, sobrang mahal. Maricel, mag-ipon ako para lalong BFF tayo. Pero anytime kung kailangan mo support ko by mga Ducom o by my heart. Tapos anytime if you need me, message mo lang ako, pupuntahan kita. Excited ako ma-meet yung pamilya mo, syempre yung asawa mo. Tapos dahil sa payo mo sa akin na yun, may girlfriend na ako kay Paula. Pakilala ko sa'yo soon. Happy birthday, Maricel. Alam ko sobrang bait mo at sobrang thank you. At super natuwa ako minsan, mini-message tayo sa Instagram, check mo ako kumusta. Alam mo, sobrang bait mo, parang insurance. I love to be friend with you. I'm so happy to being a friend na kaibigan kita. Sana maintindihan mo. Maricel, happy birthday. More blessings to you. Happy birthday!
Hi Zizi! Happy birthday! I love you so much. I wish nothing but the best for you because you deserve it. Thank you for being such a great sister to me and to many more adventures and sana more babies to come. Love you!
Hi Mission Cutie! Binabati ko po ng greetings si Miss Mar Tulfo Tungol. Maligayang happy birthday po sa inyo. Sana mag-enjoy po kayo sa araw nyo dahil walang happy kung walang birthday. At kung sino pa yung pinanganak ng masaya, sila pa yung happy birthday to you. See you soon!
Para sa maganda at mabait na anak ng aking kaibigan at kasamang senador, Senador Raffy Tulfo, na si Maricel Tulfo, who is celebrating her birthday today. I would like to greet you a happy birthday. May you enjoy your day and may God bless you always. Happy birthday, Maricel. Happy birthday. Ingat. God bless.
Hi, Maricel. Hello, pretty girl. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Maricel.
Wishing you all the happiness in the world.
Regards to the family.
Hi, Maricel. I wish you a happy birthday. I hope all your wishes do come true. And stay humble, stay healthy. Stay the same and enjoy life. Enjoy your birthday.
Hi Ma, it's your favorite adopted son and wishing you a happy birthday. I hope your day is as special as you are. Sana mas masaya ka sa mga taong tinulungan mo, mga taong napasaya mo at inalagaan mo. I still remember the time when you made kimchi, rice and seafood boil for me. Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin makakalimutan yung kung ano na pa-feel sa akin. And I'm pretty sure you remember as well. And wishing you a year full of successes in your future endeavors, good health, and genuine happiness. Because a person like you deserves nothing less than that. And maging okay ka lang in life. And dahil birthday mo, kakantahin ko yung favorite mong request. Hindi kita pipilitin. Hey! Hello mga happy birthday and sana makasama kita palagi sa Bicol. This is your second home. Happy birthday and I love you.
Happy birthday, Maricel!
Happy birthday, Maricel! Enjoy your day!
Hello, Miss Mar. Happy Boom Plus Day! Mabuhay ka hanggat kaya mo. Happy birthday, Miss Mar, and enjoy your day. Sana mas madami ka pang matulungan dahil napakabait mo. Maraming salamat. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Mar! We love you!
Happy birthday, Mar. I could only say so much, but let me start with thank you so much. Thank you for all the help you've given our core team, and thank you for supporting our dreams and happiness. I can't wait to see you conquer the world. Happy birthday.
Hello, Madam Maricel. Happy birthday, ha. Magkaroon ka na maraming birthday na darating sa buhay mo. Enjoy ka kasama ng pamilya mo. Boss ko yan, si Mr. si Atty. Garrett. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo sa akin. Ingat kayo. Salamat. Buhay.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Sel! We love you!
Hi, Ma'am Maricel. Among pinangga sa Cebu. Happy birthday. Sana'y puno ng kaligayahan, tawanan at pagmamahal na mamahal mo sa buhay in your special day. Ang iyong kabutihan at kabaitan ay tunay na inspirasyon at tiwala kung malayo ang marating mo sa buhay. Ingat and God bless. Cheers!
Hello, Mar! Happy birthday! I am very sorry na lagi akong MIA, but I'm just so glad na our relationship is actually very low maintenance. Kahit anong years pa or months or weeks or days tayo hindi nag-usap, sobrang ang bilis natin makapick up ng updates ng isa't isa. As if hindi tayo nagkaroon ng ilang days na gap or weeks na hindi tayo nakapag-usap. I just hope na whatever you wish for your birthday ay matupad. And I'm always here for you, no matter what, hanggang forever and ever na din. I love you and I'll see you soon. Bye!
Hi Mar, happy birthday. I know I haven't been there lately, but you know I wish nothing but the best for you in anything and everything that you do. And I'm so excited for what life and the future has in store for you. And you know I'll always be there for whatever you need. Happy birthday!
To my friend, Madam Maricel, happiest birthday. Wishing you more blessings and good health always. Enjoy your special day. God bless.
Hi, Boss Maricel. It was really nice of you to come to Dumanhog and represent Senator Raffy. It was an honor to meet you in person. I hope to see you again soon. I hope to spend time with you here in Dumanhog with your friends from the Southern Cebu, with Tito Jojo and Noy Alan. Happy birthday. I hope you'll have many more birthdays to come. Mabuhay po kayo. More power and may God bless you always. Thank you po.
Happy birthday, Sel. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and happiness. May you fulfill all your heart's desire. Enjoy your day. Love you.
To my favorite sister-in-law, my one and only sis. Happy 32nd birthday to you. Ayun, I miss you already. Sorry, LDR muna tayo ngayon. But when we get back there, for sure we're gonna celebrate your special day together. Thank you for being such a huge blessing sa family natin. You have brought so much love and light sa akin, kay mother, kay father, kay Jeff, and of course kay Garrett and kay Grayson. Thank you also for being such a huge blessing to other people. You have such a kind and generous heart, and you're very passionate in helping others. And that makes you even more beautiful as a person. So, ikaw yung few people that I know that's really genuine and who's really beautiful inside and out. And I really praise and admire you for that. So, my wish for you this year is that whatever you do, whatever you put your heart into, may that lead you to more happiness and more success and more fulfillment. So, I love you, sis. Happy birthday. Always remember that I'm just a call, a text, a message, even a funny reel away, and no appointments needed. Ayun. I love you and I miss you, and happy 32nd birthday.
Hi Achi! I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Surprise nga pala, surprise. What can I wish for you? Happiness in the years to come. This next year of yours, I am hoping for plenty love. Kuya Gareth, PS. Plenty love, plenty happiness, plenty money, and success. And alam mo na yun, mahal na mahal kita Achi. Happy birthday, take care always, and mwah.
Hi Mar, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. And thank you for all your help and assistance to me, my firm, and especially to our districts at Distrito 2 ng Quezon City. Thank you, Mar.
Happy birthday, Achi. Maraming salamat para sa lahat ng ginagawa mo para sa amin. And I'm very proud of you and sobrang nakakatuwa, and nakikita ko napakarami mong natutulungan. Sana tuloy-tuloy lang yan, and I hope you enjoy your day. Maraming salamat, and mahal na mahal ka naming lahat. Thank you.
Hi, happy birthday, babe. Busy ako ngayon, pero I'll see you soon. Doon lang sasabihin yung buong greetings ko.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you, Mommy. I love you, Mommy. I love you, Mommy. Love you, Mommy. I love you, Mommy.
Happy birthday, Sel. Sana yung gusto mong tahakin sa buhay matupad lahat, at sana masundan na si Grayson. Yan ang wish ko sa iyo, at syempre good health, at ingat ka palagi sa lahat ng mga lakad mo, at sana masundan na talaga si Grayson. Love you. Happy birthday.
Very well said. Exactly. Happy birthday, Sel. And I know you've been very busy lately, which is a good sign. Ibig sabihin, something good is happening. And of course, ako, si mama mo, ay sumusuporta sa iyo palagi at nagbibigay guidance para kung ano man yung goal na gusto mo ma-achieve ay mangyayari. And like she said, kahit na anong busy mo, huwag mo kalimutan palaging alagaan si Grayson. And of course, kung masundan, okay lang. Pero sa ngayon mukhang malabo kasi busy nga siya. Importante, sir, stay healthy, stay focused. And I know, remember this, what the mind can conceive, it can achieve. And that will happen to you. Happy birthday. I love you. God bless.